So now we're going out kasi samahan ko si ate magpapapicture.
You know.
Sa studio. Wow. Artista yarn. Para sa kanyang working permit. So it's one of the requirements para sa medical. Bate? Para sa medical. Yan. So guys, samahan niyo kami.
Tutor ka ni G.
Yes, I will tour you around. But we need social distance. Kasi baka mahuli kami ng police. So say goodbye and I will show you the way.
Yan guys, so dito kami dumaan sa wala masyadong dumadaan na sasakyan. As you can see, maraming mga food stalls but wala pa rin masyadong tao. Ayan. Dito ba yun? Oops! There. Korean again. Sarado? Sarado pa yung iba? Pero yung iba open na. Ayan, so dito rehabilitation clinic, I don't know kung ano yan. Ayan, store, K-Coffee store. Ayan, K-Coffee store. Thank you. Anoy gave me this one for promotion. Ayan, Vietcom Bank. Dito ang kabangkuhan nila ate. Ay, ACB pala si ate. Baka close na ang studio, but I hope hindi pa. Sayang naman ang aming paglabas. Hala, sige, takbo. Ayan. Halang pearl yogurt. Kain kami ganun. And rock and roll. Ayan na, malapit na. Digital print shop. Here, dito siya magpapapicture. Say hi! Ayan, pasok tayo guys. Support natin si ate sa kanyang artista life. Okay guys. Sana may camera all. Don't just give. Don't just take. Give. Huwag lang daw take ng take. Magbigay din. Kaya pag tinikitan ka, magsukuli ka. Okay? Let's go inside but I'm not sure kung pwede mag-video. Nakita kami sa studio. Ayan. But I'm not sure kung pwede mag-video. Ayan, pwede yata. Nasa ng portrait. Okay, so dito. Kaya na, say hi, artist! Yan po ating artist for today. Kailangan na ng color, kaya, guys, patay ko na bilis. Yan ang student.
No? Push your hand. Behind your ear. Just ear. Yeah, okay, right. Yes. No, that's fine. Right, that's fine. Face up. Yes, or not.
Can I take video? Okay.
Yes, okay. Yeah. Okay.
Right to Korea.
Again, look at the mirror. Side raise. Yes, okay. Face up a little bit. Yeah, yeah, up. Up, that's it. Like this. Okay, look at the mirror. Okay. Yes, okay.
Ayun.
Try your face. Yes. Okay.
Ang hirap pala maging artista.
What? It's hard for me to breathe. Yeah, hard, right? Ah.
I'm waiting for...
Okay. Take a deep breath.
It's finished?
Finish. Done.
Ann, say hi. Hi.
Yes, fine.
Thank you.
Are you Philippine?
Yes.
Philippines?
Thank you, Ann.
Okay, so, hi. Goodbye.
Come on, thank you.
Picture ko dun. Ayan,
guys. So, she's the artist for today.
Next time, see you after 2 years.
Ayan, ito yung isang camera woman. Buti na lang bait si Lolo. Ayan guys, okay. Daming frame mga. Ay, kilit-kilit pala ng frame. Ang galang wall. apartment. Yan. Success! Everyone!
Kita mo na yung face mo.
Face ko, hindi na. Yan, galing kami kanina dito. Dito kami dumaan kanina. Ayan. Ayan, lakad-lakad lang. Lakad-lakad hanggang may marating. Huwag kang lilingon. Pag lumingon ka,
Akin ka.
akin ka. Pag lumingon ka, bayad, utang ka. Yan guys. Layo, di ba? Oh, ang ganda ng kanilang tambayan. Ba't bawal tumambay? Yan. Lakad-lakad. And there's the coffee shop. There are lots of coffee shop here. Ayan o. And here is tayo. Yan, guys. Dami nilang cars. Sana all my car. Kaya naglugay na sila doon ng hair niya. Ayan, dami kami doon kanina. And this is the hotel. Okay, let's learn how to read Korean. Ate, basa. Jinhwa. Do. Ay, hindi ko alam na yan. Ito lang lang po. Jinhwa.
Ang parot ni James.
Bo. So, what's this? N. Nel. Ke. Tong. Atang. Chip.
Ma.
What's this one? Pop.
So guys, we're here sa parking area. And luckily, tadan! I got my order from Lazada. Diba? Kay ate ko to actually in order. Pina-order sa phone, but hindi na sasagot yung tawag. Sabi ni kuya, no. Pero nakuha namin siya, naabutan. Yay! Okay guys, dito nagtatapos ang lahat. Goodbye!